New in Unity 6.3, Graphics State Collection Experimental API improvements. The experimental Graphics State Collection API has new utility methods and overrides that provide a greater degree of control. They added a new copy graphics state for variant method, added a new add variants method, which adds multiple variants based on the subshaders and passes of a material. The shader variant constructor now accepts shader, pass ID, and keywords. Add variant, remove variant, and contains variant now accept material. Add graphics state for variant and remove graphics state for variant now accept shader variant. GraphicsState.setMeshData now accepts mesh, submesh index, and optional renderer. GraphicsState.setRenderPassData now accepts and sets sample count, attachments, subpasses, and other optional parameters. And that was the Graphics State Collection section of Unity 6.3.